Why do I care about wealth protection more than wealth creation? So let me quickly explain to you what the difference is. Wealth creation is something which you accumulate over your lifetime. So when you accumulate wealth, money, assets, um, you save up money, any wealth that you create, that's wealth creation. Now, wealth protection is something, your wealth that you protecting, the things that you've accumulated up until this stage. So, why is wealth protection more important to me? Why do I care more about wealth protection rather than wealth creation? Now, I need you to understand that there's a big difference, but also it depends where you are in your life, what stage in your life you are in, and then you can shift between those two. So, let me give you an example. For me, the main priority at this stage of my life as a 38-year-old, wealth creation is now, I would say, is taking preference than wealth protection. But remember, you cannot create wealth if you can't protect it. Makes sense. So, I mean, you can't build up assets in your life if you can't protect your own life in terms of income that you're generating. So, let me break it down. So, as a young father, I'm married with two children. So the first thing I did was I ensured that should something happen to me today, tomorrow, in a year's time, whenever, my wife never has to work again, ever. Okay? My children can stay in school and they will have enough money saved for whatever they want to do when they reach the normal 21 or whatever, whenever they need the money. So I made sure that if I, as the breadwinner, pass on, whenever, they will be taken care of. And why is that important? Because when I married my wife, I made a promise to her that I will take care of her for the rest of my life. And obviously, with the children that came along afterwards, it's the same principle. So I don't want to make, I don't want to allow them to be dependent, if I can use that word, on another person one day. So that's wealth protection. I'm protecting my income so that they are sorted if I'm not there anymore. So that's the phase one of my financial plan. So what's phase two of my financial plan? Phase two is very important, and that's where wealth creation comes into play. Now, what am I referring to when I say wealth creation? It's all the wealth that you build up towards something. So let me make an example. I work and I have a pension fund, and that ensures that when I go in retirement one day that I can live comfortably, I can retire comfortably, and I can take care of my family as per normal. And that's also why I have more than one. I've got two pension funds. I even took out a pension fund for my wife and my children to make sure that we create enough wealth for the future. If I'm still here, if I'm still alive after 20 or 30 years, then at least I know that I've saved up, income, money for when I do retire. Now, the funny thing is, when I wanted to come and do this video, my wife actually said, "You can't go with this shirt." And I said, "You know what? This is a perfect fit for my video because it shows you this shirt it's torn apart. It's a very old shirt, but I'm saving my money towards something else rather than buying a new shirt. I've got other shirts in my closet, but why should I just worn it out? I can spend my money on different things that will create better wealth for me in the future." And that's also why I bought a house. Now, I'm actually planning on doing a video on buying a house versus renting a house or apartment or a flat, because that's a very interesting discussion. And I think a lot of people might start asking big questions with regards to that. But that's a different video that I'm going to make. It's going to take some time. But yeah, I wanted to make this video to just quickly explain what's the difference between wealth protection and wealth creation. And I'm sure that you guys understand. If you don't understand, please leave a comment. Let's discuss this and what is important for you. Are you in your creation phase? Are you in your protecting phase? Are you doing both at the same time, which is doable? You can absolutely do both at the same time. But remember your finances, it all depends on your finances. And personally, from my point of view, wealth protection should always take priority, because you can't create wealth if you can't protect it. So that's very important to me. Um, and it obviously depends on your individual circumstances. Like I said, your age, that's very important. What assets you currently have, maybe you inherited assets, if you have a family or you're single, things like that. So there's a lot of factors that comes into play. But it's interesting, that's actually part of what I do in life is I give advice on finances and things like that. So I wanted to share this today. I think this is as a father, it's something that some people miss and not really give enough attention to. So, but yeah, that's it. I'm going to cut the video here, guys. Thank you so much for viewing. If you're still here, thank you very much. And do leave a comment if you want to see more future videos of my Real Dad logs. You're more than welcome to subscribe. Okay, all the best, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.